This is Tim here from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete all your Google activity. Now I'm going to be using an Android phone. So the easiest way to do this is just go to this search bar and you can tap the G. And then usually when you bring this up you can see your profile in the top right. You can just select that and you can go down to search history. Go to your search history and just tap this and you can go to where it says delete on the bottom. So just press delete. I haven't searched for anything right here, but you have the option to delete all. So let me just search for one thing. Let's just go to whatever this is and see if that shows up on here now. And then you can see I'm not saving my search history too at the moment. We can go into here and we can just turn it off completely so it won't save your search history. So just go right here and delete all your activity. And then another thing we want to do is if we're using Google Chrome or whatever web browser we're using, we want to go to that web browser, go to the top, go to settings, go on down under here, go to privacy and security, and then we got delete browsing data. We can go to here. We got the browsing history, the data. Then we can just go to delete browsing history and just do all time on the top here too, and then just delete it. So you deleted your search and you deleted your browsing activity. So we can go up the top here and we can click our name under here and we can see similar things. It'll just bring this to here. So that's how you delete your Google search history and your browsing data. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.